Good evening and namaste everyone. It's me Tek Bahadur Kargi. Today I'm going to present on the topic concept map on foundation of learning, and my course facilitator is Dr. Simkhara sir. So the foundation of learning consists of cognitivism and constructivism and innovative learning. So the cognitivism focuses on how information is received, organized, stored, and retrieved by mind. It views the mind as an information processor, which states the learners actively process information, and it supports teacher as a guide. And it includes thinking, reasoning, understanding, remembering, and imagining. And the cognitivism includes the Piaget's cognitive learning theory, and which involves cognitive process and cognitive development. And the cognitive process again includes the schema, and schema refers to the mental blueprint and which helps to organize knowledge. And for example, the sucking and grasping of baby is a schema, and schema leads to assimilation, which refers to fitting new information into existing schema. And the example is child sees a zebra and calls it a donkey. And assimilation moves to accommodation, which refers to changing schema when new information does not fit. And the example is child learns zebra not equal to donkey. And the accommodation continues as equilibrium, which refers to balance between assimilation and accommodation. And the equilibrium leads to stable understanding, and the equilibrium returns to schema, and which completes the cognitive process. And the cognitive development, and it includes sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational. The sensory motor, the age range is 0 to 2 years, which results in object permanence. And sensory motor is followed by pre-operational, the age range is 2 to 7 years, and which results in symbolic thought. And pre-operational is followed by concrete operational, whose age range is 7 to 11 years, that results in logical thought. And finally, concrete operational is followed by formal operational, and the age range is 11 years and above, and that results in scientific reasoning. And the Bruner's learning theory. And the Bruner's learning theory is represented through modes of representation, and it involves inactive, and which is based on action, and inactive stage is followed by iconic stage, and which is based on image and pictures, and iconic stage is again followed by symbolic, which is also known as abstract, and that is based on language. And the Bruner's learning theory encourages 3 steps teaching, that includes scaffolding, which refers to temporary support provided by the teachers, and the discovery learning, which refers to explore, experiment, and discover concepts. And finally, spiral curriculum. Spiral curriculum refers to simple concept first and revisits them over and over again. And the topic is constructivism, and constructivism is refers to learning theory that constructs knowledge, emphasizes active involvement in learning, and that views learning as building on prior knowledge. And constructivism consists of 3 types, and the first one is cognitive constructivism, and which links learning to learner's cognitive development stage, that is based on Jean Piaget's research on cognitive development. And the another one is social constructivism, that emphasizes collaborative learning, and that includes Vygotski's learning theory. And in this theory, learning is by social interaction, and that is supported by more knowledgeable others, and that refers to friend, teacher, family, etc. The more knowledgeable others assist the students who are in the ZPD. ZPD refers to Zone of Proximal Development. MTO provides scaffolding to those students who are in the zone of proximal development. And the another one is radical constructivism. And the radical constructivism means create knowledge from their experiences, and that focuses on personal interpretation rather than absolute truths. And the innovative learning. The innovative learning consists of inquiry-based learning, project-based learning, problem-based learning, and STEAM approach. And the inquiry-based learning, which is based on inquiry, and that refers to searching for truth or knowledge. And the features of inquiry-based learning is this: it is student-centered, teacher as facilitator, collaboration, and there is reflection also. And the inquiry-based learning emphasizes 5E model, and 5E model, it includes the five various elements. First one is engage. In engage, the learners recall the prior knowledge, and engage is followed by explore, and that discover knowledge themselves, and explore is followed by explain, that accommodate new learnings within existing schema. Explain is followed by elaborate, and that apply new knowledge, and elaborate is finally followed by evaluate, that assess formal and informal. And another one is project-based learning, that focuses on real-world problem, that enhances 21st century skills, that is 4C. And the end goal of project-based learning is to produce a final product. And the example is to design a school garden is an example of project-based learning. In problem-based learning, that focuses on problem solving, that enhances critical thinking and reasoning skill. The end goal is to solve a problem, and the example is selection of mobile data from two companies. And the final one is STEAM approach, and that focuses on deeper understanding. It enhances critical thinking and creativity. The end goal is to connect different subjects or different disciplines to solve problem. And the example is GeoGebra connects math and technology. The STEAM approach also consists of various elements, and the S refers to the science, and T refers to the technology, E refers to the engineering, A refers to the arts, M refers to the mathematics. And arts also includes ethics and values. And apart from this STEAM, it also includes the three R's, that is hand, head, and heart. And STEAM is also disciplinary, and they can be multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, transdisciplinary, or transpaxis. After learning those theories and innovative pedagogy, my reflection is that we have to use those innovative learning theory, that is project based, STEAM, and problem based in our classroom as much as possible, because it fosters the deep learning in our students, which will work in the long term, and it will go into their long term memory. And I have already started using the Bruner's learning theory, that is CPA technique, in my math classroom, and it proved very successful, because children are really enjoying the concrete, pictorial, and then abstract things. And also the Vygotski's learning theory is I'm also applying in my classroom. And nowadays I differentiated them on the basis of their level, and then started using the scaffolding to the students who are in the ZPD region. So again, thank you to dear sir for teaching those beautiful theory to us. And with this, I want to conclude my presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. I appreciate the opportunity to share with you. Good night. Thank you.